How's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do all things beauty, reviews, hauls, tutorials, unboxings like today, and I like to mainly focus on special effects and face and body paint. I would really love it if after this video you would go to my Instagram and check that out, as I am doing a Disney series right now. You can find my Instagram handle right down here, and it will also be in my video description, as well as all the products that I'm going to be using in today's video. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, because I would love it for you to join my little YouTube family that is ever growing. Anyways, into today's video. For Christmas, my best friend bought me the Ulta Beauty collection. They had done a Harry Potter collaboration, and so my best friend gave me the Slytherin box, and I was super excited. I don't remember seeing this particular one on the Ulta website when it first came out, and I don't believe that they are available anymore, but that doesn't mean you can't find them floating around the internet. I know there's some on eBay and stuff like that, so definitely check that out. And again, everything that I'm going to be using will be in my product description below, so check that out. So let's do a little unboxing and do a tutorial, and I think it will be fun, so let's get started. So this is what the Slytherin box looks like. Inside you have a 6-piece eyeshadow palette, 1 tinted lip balm, a metallic gel eyeliner, which I'm super excited about, and 1 highlighter. So I'm just going to take these out of the packages for you. But so this is the little eyeshadow palette that it comes with. Super cute. Oops, plastic just fell out. These are what the colors look like. Dungeon, Gillyweed, Sickles, Snake Scales, Vanishing Cabinet, and Dark Mark. Super cute. So there's that again. I'm going to try to use every color in this little palette, so stay tuned for that. Okay, next we have the highlighter. This is what that looks like on the top, and they are little highlighting beads, which is super cute. Can't wait to try those. I love when highlighters come in the little beads. Next, oh how cute, it's like a little feather pen. This is the gel eyeliner. I will definitely be using this, so don't worry, I will do swatches and all of that good stuff. And next we have the lip shade. Looks super pretty. It's pretty much what the color shows on the bottom. So there's that. All right, I washed and moisturized my face. Now I'm just going to do my foundation and all that jazz, and then when it comes down to the eyes and the lips, I will be right back. Hi, I'm back. So I did my face and I primed my eyes, and I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eye primer. So now let's dive into this little palette. I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. So the first one in the pan is called Dungeon. So let's give this a whirl, see how pigmented this is. So that is Dungeon. Next we have Gillyweed, this green shade. Let's see here. That's pretty. Okay, the next one is Sickles, is this silver shade, which I'm super excited about. That one. Then Snake Scales coming down here. Ooh, that's bright. And then the next one, the brown shade, is Vanishing Cabinet. And then the last shade is Dark Matter, which I think is black. Yeah, very cool. So those are the shades. So I kind of want to play around with the silver. Well, let's see. Let's take Gillyweed, the green shade, and we will put that up in our crease. Let me zoom you guys in really quick. Okay, so taking the green shade. It goes on really nicely. I'm just sitting here and blending this a little bit. I'm not quite sure what I want to do. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of fluff it out a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Do you guys ever find that pigments go on better or different on one eye than the other eye? That happens to me all the time. It's kind of happening to me right now. I feel like it looks like a different green on the other eye. So I'm going to take the shade Dungeon, the white shade, just very little, and place it right under my eyebrow. Kind of blend it into the green a little bit. Pay no attention to my eyebrows. I really need to get them done. It's still quarantine and yeah. That's all I have to say about that. Let's hop into our next color. Oh boy, let's see. I think I want to take the shade Snake Scales, this green. I want to put that on the inner part of my lid. So like half of the lid, and then I kind of want to use the brown on the outer half. This is looking really pretty so far. I really like these shimmery colors. Okay, now we're gonna take the brown on our outer lid. And I have the slightest bit of fallout on that eye. Okay, next we have, oh, let's see, we have the silver and the black left. Let's test out this, this eyeliner. See what we're working with before we play with the other two shades. Okay, so it opens up like this. And then the brush is up top. Okay, so it's legit like a green, like a paint pot kind of. I think I'm gonna try to line my eyes with this later. So, okay, let's go back to the palette. Let's do the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with an edged brush and I'm going to first line the inner with the silver and then the outer with the black. So the silver is called Sickles. So far, this palette is performing really nicely. And then the black. I think that looks really pretty. So we've used every shade in this little palette, and I have to say it's really cute and it's really cool, and I will be using this again. I really like this silver, and those greens are really nice. I was a little underwhelmed with the brown shade. I'm sure it's like a transition shade. It was just a little bit lighter and not as pigmented as the rest, but that's totally okay. Definitely can be used in all sorts of other looks. So now let's do this guy. I'm gonna zoom you back in and we're gonna line the top. And my light on my mirror just went out, so if the lighting looks different, I'm sorry. Let's see how pigmented this is and how well this brush works. I'm sure with a different brush too, it would be nice. This one I feel like kind of gets it a little bit chunky, so it feels a little stiff. But if you just go slow, it will be okay. I think like a slight little green liner moment is nice. I feel like I have to keep dipping in a couple different times just because the brush is kind of firm and it looks like it's picking up product, but I kind of don't think it's picking up as much as I think that it is. So that is the liner. Now for these highlighting beads, I'm super excited about this. Comes with a little pad there. So here are the beads. Where is my little fluffy brush? I'll swirl it on in here. Ooh, I can see it more on camera than I do in my actual mirror, which is kind of backwards if you ask me, but it's really pretty. Oh, I really like this a lot. I didn't think that this was gonna be very pigmented. But wow, yeah, it actually really is. Cool. I'm impressed. Okay, so the last step is the lipstick, but I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, mascara, lashes, and I'm gonna do my brows off camera too, and then I will be right back and we'll do the lipstick together. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I did my eyebrows, my eyeliner, my lashes. I have to say, I used the Ardell Wispies, which I used to buy all the time, but I feel like this package, I feel like they made their bands different. This was the most easy I've ever put on my lashes, and they were really nice and delicate. I don't remember them being that way. Anyways, I think this look looks really cool so far. I love how like green and smoky and like shimmery it is. But next we have the lipstick is the last step. So let's see if there's a shade name. Oh, it's Tinted Lip Balm. Let's see. And there's no like shade name, but let's just see. Oh, it's like a nude. It's really nice and smooth, and it doesn't feel sticky or anything. All right, that's it. Oh, I thought I broke it. It twists up and down. Okay, good to know. Oh Lord. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I'm super excited. Let's go over the products one more time. I love this shade. I'm a sucker for nude. I think this looks perfect with this eye makeup. The palette, I'm super impressed. You get, I mean, there isn't that many shades, but for the ones that you do get, this is bomb. The gel liner, I really liked this. I love the shade. The only complaint, and it's not even really a complaint, is I don't think I would really use the brush that it comes with because it's a little bit more stiff. I would probably use my own brush with it, but as far as that, I mean, that's the only thing I have to say about that. And the last thing is the highlighting beads. I mean, yeah, glowing. I love these. Definitely am going to use this like all the time. The one that I use all the time, which by the way, if you guys wanted to know what my blush and bronzer was, it's out of this Kylie Cosmetics little face palette. And I was gonna say that for the highlighter, I actually compare it to probably this shade in the palette, which is Cheers Darling. It reminds me of that, and I use that shade all the time, so kind of similar if you like Kylie Cosmetics. Yeah, this is similar to that. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you see again, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe, check out my other videos on the sides, and hope you guys had a fabulous holiday season. It's almost 2021. I'm sure everyone is just hoping for a new and better year. So happy new year to you guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.